For this, let you know that now a developer have been able to overclock the EVO 3D, the HTC new phone that is competing with the LG Optimus 3D. And he had been overclocking this device to almost 1.8 gigahertz, and he is basically calling it that he overclocked this to 1.8 gigahertz because it's so close to 1.8 gigahertz. It was 1782 megahertz, so that's kind of a lot, almost 1.8 gigahertz. But if you want to go ahead and call it 1.7, you obviously can do so. But if we round it up, we get it to 1.8 gigahertz, so it seems to be running stable. The good thing is that if you have the HTC Sensation, also known as this rumored codename HTC device, the Pyramid, you can go ahead and do the same thing with this device. Now, this developer that posted this video on YouTube, basically showing off some benchmarking tests and getting great score with this EVO 3D, he didn't have this HTC Sensation, but if you have an HTC Sensation, you should be able to overclock it to kind of the same speeds as this EVO 3D here, because they are having kind of the same processor and internal, so you shouldn't be or have to worry too much. So if you want to go ahead and watch some benchmarking tests, I will leave that video in the description, because obviously it's kind of interesting. I mean, 1.8 gigahertz, it's almost, yeah, obviously we're talking dual core here, so it's almost 2 gigahertz dual core. I wonder what device that will be first to, you know, pass that 2 gigahertz dual core. We do know that some guy have overclocked the Samsung Galaxy S2, and he got 2 gigahertz in clock speed when he was booting up the device, but it wasn't really like a stable performance. So yeah, you can't really call it. If it's not stable, then yeah, it doesn't really count. So yeah, that kind of sucks. But we're probably going to see that in the future smartphones that's going to be more powerful. So sweet. See you.